What's up guys, DustinDep here. I know it's been a long time since we've made a video, but the channel is coming back and we've got some all new branding and a ton of new content for you guys. So first up is the GoPro Hero 10 unboxing video. As you guys can see, we've got the latest model here with the bundle. So we'll go ahead and open it up for you guys. So this thing here has got some serious performance compared to GoPros of yesteryear, especially the GoPros that we had back when I used to do videos on this channel. So let's open this up. And as you can see, it comes with this awesome carrying case for all of the gear. It's very, very high quality. Go ahead and unzip it. And inside, well, obviously it tells you we're going to need an update, like everything you get these days. So we'll set that to the side. No one really cares about that. First off, you get this really cool, high quality clip here, and it is super strong. So you can click this onto anything you want to hold your GoPro. So we'll set that down. Also comes with a USB-C, which is nice to have. I would have preferred to see a USB-C to USB-C in here as well, but obviously USB-A is very common still. So this bundle comes with 2 batteries. Set those in there. Also comes with a variety of different mounts for the GoPro, as you can see, so you guys can set this up on your bikes or anything like that. A few of the screws there to hold it together. Let's see what else is in here. A really cool little tripod, which could be super functional. If we can open it up, there we go. So, nice little design there. Goes up as well. Obviously attaches directly to any of those GoPro mounts we've seen. And then, for what everyone is waiting for, the new GoPro Hero 10. As you can see, this has got the front-facing camera as well, the touch screen on the back. The branding really looks the same as the GoPro Hero 9. The one thing that you'll notice that it's a 10 is the fact that it's got the blue GoPro logo there and 10 on the side. This thing films in 5K 30, but there has been some overheating issues that we've heard about. So we will look into that. Obviously that's your little stand right there. That's what you're going to mount everything to. I've got a really cool accessory that I think everyone will want to swap that out for, that will definitely be showing in another video. That looks like everything that comes in the bundle. So got some stickers, some swag, some books that no one ever listens to or reads for that matter. And that is pretty much it that's in the new GoPro Hero 10. If you guys have any questions or comments or anything you guys want me to do with this camera, then please let us know. We cannot wait to make some all new content for you guys. Thanks for coming back to the channel. Thank you so much for staying subscribed for this long. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Thanks again. Peace.